Okay, here we got my 1976 Ford Crew Cab 4x4 F-250 Ranger XLT for sale. Just gonna do a walk around. This is a truck that needs some work, but the basics are there. From my understanding, it is a true highboy, which I'll show in a little bit. It's newly registered in the state of Oregon. Looks like it's good for a year. It's got 16 on the tag there. This is the worst of the bad right here. Should be fixable. Tailgate needs a little bit of work. The latch isn't holding it close, so I got a rope there, but it's all there. It just probably needs some work. Got surface rust in the bed. No see-through. Cab top looks actually pretty good. Little bump there. Surface rust. This is one of the auxiliary gas tanks there. This is the worst of the body here, at least as far as rust goes, along the rails here. Okay. See if I get a shot underneath. That's a transfer case there. I'll go to the other side, you can see it better. New muffler from in-tail pipe going back. It's a dual going into a single. Two auxiliary gas tanks here. Not sure how large they are. That's the transfer case. I believe that qualifies it as a highboy. That separate drive axle going to the front there. This is the back of the cab. Seats have been reupholstered. Again, there's some surface rust, mainly on the sides and on the ceiling or roof, but nothing goes through. Pretty solid. Needs a carpet kit. Needs some love and attention. The front seat's upholstered too. Front has some surface rust on the floorboards, nothing going through, no holes. Dashboard, there's the AC control, but the AC compressor is not in the vehicle, neither is the power steering pump. Dash pad needs replaced. I think they're like 125 bucks. Okay, start it. It's already warmed up. It needs starter fluid for a cold start because the choke's not hooked up right or something, but she's warmed up now. Turn it on. Should be operating temperature. The oil pressure. I just got that hooked up just to check it out. I'm going to rev it up. A little bit of smoke. I do have a quart of transmission fluid in the motor oil to clean the motor up, so it'll probably quiet down and smoke less with oil change. See, I'll drive it down the street a little bit, or down the driveway a little bit. Just going to go down the end of my driveway and back. I'm going to reverse it back. Good smoke coming out. Didn't smoke as much before I put the tranny fluid in there. Put it in four-wheel drive. there. We're in 4 low going in reverse. Put it in 4 high. That should be 4 high. Four high in reverse. There you have it. She's ready for the next buyer or owner to fix it on up, turn it into a beauty. You go through this truck, it should be worth anywhere from 15 to 25, 30 grand if you do it right. All right, if you have any questions, contact me.